The well-known trading platform for cryptocurrency is extending its boundaries to major countries. Now it's time for India to develop in the crypto ecosystem. Yes guys, Coinbase is planning for the development of its offices in India. The country is fledged with brilliant engineers and entrepreneurs. If you're willing to know what is Coinbase's plan and announcement by the CEO, then stick to the end of the video. Hello folks, this is the Crypto Society, where we discuss all things crypto. Today we're here to let you know about Coinbase, a platform that is easiest to transact in the crypto market. Like the video, subscribe to our channel for surprising news about the crypto market and day-to-day updates. Lastly, hit the small notification bell icon for timely alerts on all uploads on our channel. Let's dive in to the video. Introduction to Coinbase. The platform was launched in 2012. Coinbase is trying to build a crypto economy that is a fairer, more accessible, efficient, and transparent financial system enabled by crypto. Their prior aim at the time of launch was to enable investors to send and receive Bitcoin from anywhere and at any time with efficiency and security. With updates on the platform over time, Coinbase on its interactive platform has managed to list various crypto tokens for trading. Coinbase is a trusted and easy-to-use platform that allows a broader view of the crypto economy. To what extent has Coinbase broadened its boundaries? A giant platform for enabling crypto space trading, it has verified users up to 56 million, 8,000 innovative institutions, and about 134,000 ecosystem partners in over 100 countries, including India. This huge circle revolving around Coinbase trusts the platform to save, earn, invest, spend, and use the newly emerging crypto space in the new financial sector. What is their core mission? Coinbase prioritizes being the most trusted platform for crypto trading among investors and tries to provide the easiest and interactive services to trade in digital currencies that is a powerful technology. Coinbase Community's mission is to enhance economic freedom in the financial world. On their official website, they mentioned it in simple words. They say that the world economy should work on a common set of standards that could not be controlled by any country or company. If this system comes into existence, a fairer and free place would help to escalate human progress in the financial world. Apart from their mission, there might be something unique that attracts investors. What attracts the investors? Coinbase has a solitary set of qualities. They practice active listening and prefer crystal clear communications with all of their colleagues or customers. Coinbase believes in continuous learning. They grab every situation as an opportunity to learn something new. Receiving and giving feedback are their chief values. They prefer smart work with quick and efficient execution of their ideas. Working manually is not their cup of tea, as they prefer working with automation. Spreading positive energy all over their ecosystem is their value. The Coinbase community is optimistic for the future and even determined to reach there. There are some values that attract the major investors for trading from the Coinbase platform. This was a brief overview of Coinbase that would help you to relate things coming up next in the video. Coinbase extending its team in India. India is filled with brilliant engineers and innovative entrepreneurs. The country is developing as a tech hub for the world. Coinbase, a crypto exchange platform, has been declared as a public company before 3 months. This is a huge achievement by the company. The company is trying to extend its paws all over the globe. Recently, the CEO revealed his amazing plan to extend its hub in South Asian countries, mainly populous countries like India. They are searching for the topmost talent available anywhere in the world. They are planning for a brilliant and talented community for Coinbase development. What do the CEO and co-founder of Coinbase have to say? The genius mind behind Coinbase is CEO and co-founder Brian Armstrong. On the 2nd of July 2021, he posted a tweet on its official account announcing job openings for the Indian offices of Coinbase. His tweet says, "Coinbase is building out an office in India. Amazing team already in place. Come join us." Since today, the tweet has been liked by 5.8 thousand people and around 1,300 retweets, besides over 492 comments. All the comments are signified that many people are excited about the emergence of the Coinbase office in India. The comments ranged from "nice," "welcome to India," and the comments continued. Some comments on the tweet asked for Coinbase to extend its boundaries to Malaysia and Africa. In this tweet, Armstrong tagged a blog post titled "Crypto Out of India" by Pankaj Gupta. He is a VP of Engineering and site lead in India. The blog post reported a detailed outline for Coinbase's plan to develop in India step by step. The blog post is very clearly defined and can be understood by any person with basic knowledge. With his in-depth analysis about the current crypto scenario, he exclaims the fact that the crypto situation has never been more exciting. But India had undergone some chief native tasks, such as Polygon and Instadap. He adds about India's growing technology building and blockchain platforms. Gupta limelights the fact that India has a large amount of world-class intelligent software engineers, technology builders, and innovative entrepreneurs. The level of innovation and updates in technology and blockchain in India is really surprising. What are the openings available for India by Coinbase? In the blog post, Gupta says that we can expect hundreds of engineering hirings in the near term. Software engineers are their first priority, but they are also opening some complementary vacancies in product development and design, supporting function teams and HR managers. They aim at developing a sustainable and well-rounded tech hub in India. Mr. Gupta highlights the sectors in which teams would work in India. Coinbase is planning emerging tech hubs in all major areas like infrastructure, platforms, cloud, payments, blockchains, data engineering, machine learning, product designing, crypto, and the list continues. What are the strategies of Coinbase for development in India? Coinbase plans to acquire local director engineers with exceptional characters that could actually benefit the company. Coinbase even plans for acquisitions of startups and acquisitions in India. Pankaj Gupta says that those who are interested can directly contact him for such acquisitions. This could even benefit the locals. Mr. Gupta in his blog commented for organization structure planning, maximize learning, growth, and impact. Coinbase is planning to work with a combination of global and local products and systems in the wider APAC region. A mind-blowing strategy is being followed by Coinbase to set up its offices in India. So next comes the point of recruitment strategy they are working on. What is the recruitment strategy? They are working with remote-first strategy. Mr. Gupta has very minutely covered every point about Coinbase plans for setting up offices. Hyderabad is the chosen location for a physical office in India as of now. Initially, they would be hiring engineers and other needed recruiters from all over India. With the widespread staff, they would be working remotely for some period and would only set up their offices in the tech hubs of India like Hyderabad or Mumbai. Gradually, with time, they would try and develop their offices in other areas of India. With a satisfactory working environment, the community would be equipped with pretty good perks. Pankaj in his blog states flexible and modern work environment with plenty of perks. Their core aim is a hybrid and flexible working conditions for every employee. In addition to every strategy we discussed before, one exciting piece of news is still left to discuss. This is especially for the employees who would be soon joining this amazing company Coinbase. They have launched a new program named CLLKA. CLLKA is abbreviated as Coinbase India Seeker. This program offers each employee who would join India's office a one-time $1,000 in crypto whenever they are planning to enter the crypto market. Pankaj continues, "Our expectation is that they'll leverage this offering to learn about crypto, and will use this knowledge to help us build the next generation of products that will delight our customers around the world." With innovative strategies, Coinbase is even concentrating to carry forward their culture of sustained innovation in India too. With proper planning and strategies, the company is looking forward to set up its offices in India. Their strategies are highly innovative as they believe innovation is the key to development in every sector. Coinbase has easily recognized the growing tech hub India, and its pace of development is remarkable. Hence, the company is planning to extend its boundaries to India. Be it recruitment, development, strategy, sectoral development, and even thinking about locals and their benefits, Coinbase is outstanding in all of these. So, are you excited about such development in India and maybe soon in other countries like Malaysia and Africa? Be ready for Coinbase to capture the entire crypto market investors with its vibrant ecosystem. That's all for today's video. Hope this was a valuable addition to your knowledge about the crypto trading platform. Like the video, subscribe to our channel for every new update about the crypto market and its trading platforms. Do share with your crypto friends and colleagues and let them know Coinbase is the best trading platform so they would switch soon to the innovative platform. Thanks for watching.